In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert HTML to PDF using Adobe Acrobat in 2025. Adobe Acrobat has continued to be a powerful tool for managing documents, and with its ability to convert HTML into PDFs, it's never been easier to preserve the look and feel of your web content. Before diving into the process, it's essential to determine your starting point. If you're converting a local HTML file, you'll want to ensure all necessary files like CSS and images are saved locally on your computer. For those starting with a live web page, have the URL ready and make sure the page is accessible from your browser. Once you're ready, let's explore option A, converting using Adobe Acrobat DC, the desktop app that most of us are familiar with. Begin by opening Adobe Acrobat DC. Head over to the Tools Center where you'll find a variety of options. From there, select Create PDF. If you're working with local files, you'll want to choose either single file or multiple files, depending on how many HTML documents you're planning to convert. Browse through your files and select the appropriate HTML file or files. If you're capturing a web page instead, select the option designed for web pages and paste the URL when prompted. At this point, Adobe may ask you for the conversion type, and you'll need to select HTML or web page as your source. Now, configuring your PDF's optional settings is crucial to ensure it looks just right. You have control over the page size, perhaps opting for letter or A4, and can choose between portrait or landscape orientation. Pay attention to the margins, as they can significantly affect the overall appearance, and decide whether you'll retain hyperlinks and images. Enabling these is often advisable for maintaining as much of the original web experience as possible. Once everything is set up the way you like it, click Convert or Create to watch Adobe Acrobat generate your PDF. Save the resulting document to your chosen location, and a good practice is to give it a descriptive file name so it's easily recognizable later. Now let's talk about option B, which involves using the Acrobat browser extension for a seamless experience right within your web browser. First, navigate to the HTML page you want to convert in your preferred browser, whether that's Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Click on the Acrobat extension button, which you'll typically find labeled Convert to PDF or something similar. As you prepare to convert, review any on-page options. Some web pages let you decide whether to include images or maintain existing links. Once you're satisfied with your selection, choose to save or download the PDF to your computer, or opt for saving it to cloud storage if you're logged in. In cases where you're asked, provide a name for the file and select your desired save location. And that's it. You've successfully converted HTML to PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials.